Good morning, Cayman. This is the 4 a.m. Update on Ian. It has reached hurricane force, and at 4 a.m. this morning, 18.2 north, 82.0 west. That's 85 miles southwest of Grand Cayman. It is moving towards the northwest at 14 miles per hour with maximum sustained winds of 75 miles per hour. The system is forecast to pass west of Grand Cayman, approximately 75 miles west of us. No hurricane force winds are forecast across the Cayman Islands. The system will continue to intensify and reach Category 2 status later on this evening, and Category 3 status tonight. Given that this system continues to intensify and is going to be passing fairly close to the Cayman Islands, the citizens of the Cayman Islands are encouraged not to get too complacent, to pay attention to the continuous updates coming from the National Weather Service and Hazards Management Cayman Islands.